All right, this is going to be interesting. You're going to like this one. Let me turn on this oven here. First thing you're going to need is a big pot, right? I'm going to show you guys how to make some pretty cool vegetables that you can make at home and kind of store away and mix them with your meals, your eggs and stuff, and it's really not fattening. So, vegetables. So check it out. Check this out. I kind of prepared some stuff already. Put a little oil in there, right? Well, avocado oil. Put some onions in there, right? Now, just bear with me. I'm gonna put some peppers, some zucchini, all different colors. I like the green ones, but that's a few other ones. And I'm gonna prepare some more vegetables real fast, like some carrots. But this is something you can use. Alexa, stop. My luck, they'll stop the video because of the darn song. They'll say, oh, the music was part of some bullshit back in the 50s. I like to cook to good music. That's just me. So, put some carrots. Oh, you're definitely gonna get fat off these. I know what you're thinking. Oh God, carrots. Not that bad. Throw some carrots in there. Use 2 carrots, whatever. Sharp knife, if you have one. Makes the process go so much faster. And yeah, this is a quick little recipe that you can make at home if you're trying to eat more vegetables. And it always comes out really, really good. I don't have a name for it yet. We'll just call it vegetables. What do you think? All right. Let's use some broccoli. Love some broccoli here. Right? Couple things of broccoli. Can't go wrong with that. Now my wife showed me this trick about 6 months ago. She made some broccoli. I said, wow, that tasted really good. What did you do? She takes the broccoli and she cuts it in half. She cut it in half. That's what she did. She cut the broccoli in half. So we're going to cut the broccoli in half. Each broccoli gets cut in half. Each one just gets slit. That's small. Right down the middle. No problem. And then we go upside down. Now you hear that starting to make noise, right? That's because it's cooking. Now this might be a little bit more broccoli than we want, but I like broccoli. It's supposed to be like super healthy for you, whatever. So not bad. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. More broccoli. Broccoli like crazy. Almost done with broccoli. Okay, now take our little tongs. Kind of move this around a little bit. We're running out of space. I got a few more vegetables I want to throw in here, and then we're going to put some stuff in there. In fact, perfect time to add something. Let's quickly just add red hot chili flakes. All right, that was easy. I'm telling you, this recipe is really simple, super simple, and it tastes really good. So next, let's do some of these portobello baby mushrooms here. So these big ones, I happen to find baby ones that are like king size. Look at this, this is huge. I know what you're thinking. You don't like mushrooms. I hate mushrooms. Me too. I hate them. Never did like mushrooms, but in this recipe, it actually tastes pretty good. It's funny. You can put anything in here. Just about anything. Oh, a few mushrooms here. Okay, that's about it. Then, I'm going to do with these mushrooms, once again, sharp knife. Just going to kind of cut those up, little pieces. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this big fucker. Huge. Make sure you get a sharp knife. Hank will do the trick. Voila. Boom. Boom. Sweet. Alright, we're probably running out of time here. Gotta upload this video. You kind of catch my drift, right? Hold on. Let me double check how much time we have on this. Looking good. I don't even know how much time we even have on here. Oh, 5 minutes, okay. Now, last but not least, asparagus. There's a couple pieces of asparagus in there. Not need a ton, but you can put some. Take that, cut off the edges, right? As you go 1 and 2. Asparagus. Nice. All right, so that wasn't that bad. That really wasn't that bad at all. So from here, I guess we drop some pepper on there. And you don't want to cook this that long either. It's not like you want to sit here and cook this and cook this and cook this and cook this. You want to cook it down a little bit so that broccoli is, that's a good thing. Now look at this. Aha, vegetable magic. This is awesome. I love this. Yep. Gotta have a little taste on there. And that's pretty much it. So what? You put a little salt on there. Big deal. I'm not going on stage. I'm just trying to eat more vegetables. There you go. Nice. And you let this cook, and you let this cook, and you let this cook, and you let this cook. Promise you. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. Yeah. Okay, I think that's about it. I mean, you could put, for all these vegetables here, you could put a little bit more of that avocado oil in there. And that, my friend, is how you do it. Let this cook for like 5, 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. You'll see it'll shrink and you're good to go. No need to cover it. This is probably a lot more than you need, but try this. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching.